Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to fix a suspended account on Instagram. Sometimes your Instagram account may get suspended due to unusual activity, suspected violations of community guidelines, or by mistake. When this happens, you won't be able to log in normally. To recover your account, you need to report the problem directly to Instagram through the app. Here's how you can do it on your mobile device. First, open the Instagram application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in. Then tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Next, tap on the three lines from the top right corner to open the menu. Now scroll down and tap on Help. This section allows you to report issues, get support, and learn more about account problems. Then tap on Report a Problem. Next, select Report a Problem without shaking. This ensures your report is submitted without automatically attaching screenshots. Here, tap Don't Include and continue to proceed. Now type a clear message explaining your situation. For example, "Hello Instagram team, my account got suspended after any activity on my profile. Please help me to recover it. Thank you." After typing your message, tap on Send from the top right corner. Once submitted, Instagram will review your request. You may receive an email or notification asking you to verify your identity, such as uploading a photo ID. Recovery may take a few days, so be patient while Instagram processes your request. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.